In 2026, coding really happens alone anymore. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, GitHub Copilot, and Gemini sit alongside developers as active partners in the process. Let's look at exactly what that partnership looks like. One of the biggest shifts is code generation. You describe what you want in plain English, like a contact form with a few fields, and the AI drafts working code for you almost instantly. When something breaks, instead of searching the web for an hour, developers can paste the error directly to an AI assistant and get a clear explanation of what went wrong, along with a suggested fix in seconds. AI is also remarkably good at reading old, unfamiliar code and explaining it in plain English. Incredibly useful when you are joining an existing project and need to understand what previous developers were doing. Even while simply typing, AI-powered autocomplete predicts the next line of code and offers it instantly, a bit like a highly capable writing assistant, but built specifically for code. But here's what was important. AI doesn't decide what to build or judge whether a solution is actually the right one. That critical thinking, the reasoning behind the code, is still entirely yours. The real takeaway is simple. This is a partnership, not a replacement. AI takes on the repetitive, time-consuming work, freeing you up to focus on the thinking and decisions that actually matter. With your tools, your code, and your new AI partner in place, there's just one thing left to figure out. How do you actually get your project online? That's exactly where we are headed next.